Experience the ultimate in luxury with your newly installed seat covers, custom fit for your Toyota Sienna with 3-row seating. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The first row has 6 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, and 2 headrests. The middle row has 13 pieces and includes 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 midsection pieces, 4 armrest covers, and 3 headrest covers. The third row has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, and 3 headrest covers. Now begin by removing the front seat headrest. Then, from around the back and under the seat bottom, disconnect the original factory seat flap. More on that later. Now recline the front bucket seat so there is enough space in between for the straps. Note there are 2 hook and loop straps on the left side, buckle clips in the center, and a foam push bar on the right. First, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat and feed the buckle straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps, stretch them underneath the seat bottom, and push them to the front. Now, on the driver's side, grab the buckle clips and push them in between the molding of the seat and the cushion. Pull out the buckle straps from underneath the seat, then connect the buckle clips together and pull to adjust and tighten underneath the seat. On the passenger side, simply connect the buckle clips together and pull to adjust and tighten underneath the seat. Then, fasten the straps to the fabric of the seat to secure the cover in place. Then, insert the foam push bar into the side crevice of the seat base. Then tuck the fabric in to secure. Next, stretch the backrest cover over the seats. Tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Push the fabric and the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps through the crevice and attach to the back side. Reconnect the flap underneath the seat bottom and secure it to the frame. Then, fasten the backrest to the back with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, remove the middle row headrests. Then, slip on the seat bottom covers. You will see that each seat bottom cushion has 1 hook and loop strap on each side. You will fasten the straps to the fabric of the seat on each side to secure the cushion in place. Now, feed the buckle straps to the crevice of the seat. Reach from underneath the seat, grab the straps, and connect the buckle clips together. Now tighten to secure the cover to the seat. Next, recline and move the middle seats forward. Now, before placing the backrest cover on, you will notice 3 hook and loop straps on the front bottom and adhesive strips on the back bottom. Make sure to roll up the fabric to eliminate the fabric sticking to the seat. You will also note that there are hook and loop straps on the left and right sides. Make sure the armrests are in the down position. Now slip the cover over each section of the rear backrests. Tuck fabric around the armrests, under the seatbelt, and into the plastic molding. Secure the fabric around the armrests by fastening with the hook and loop straps. Then zip the fabric together on the back left side. Next, feed the straps through the crevice to the back side. From around the back side, grab and pull the adhesive straps through the crevice and fasten to the back side. Now unroll the back side of the cover and fasten it to the backrest with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, slip the middle seat cover into place. There are 2 loops. Tuck each one into the crevice and under the seat. Next, feed the straps through the crevice to the back side. Now release the midsection. Fold it down, and then release and raise the bottom section to allow for access underneath. Feed the buckle straps under the midsection and toward the front. Grab the straps. Feed them through the loops on each side, then connect the buckle clips together and secure underneath. Now slip the midsection backrest in place. Tuck the fabric through the crevice and pull firmly from the back side. Then bring the flap down and fasten the fabric together with the adhesive backing to secure. Now tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Next, slip on all 4 armrest covers. Now place the third row seat bottom covers over the bench seats. Then feed the buckle straps through the crevice to the back side and tuck the elastic loops in between the cushions. Now pull the fabric through the crevice of the back side, pull the straps out, and feed them through the gap under the seats to the front underside. Grab the straps from underneath, feed them through the loops, and connect the buckle clips together. Pull and adjust the straps underneath the seat to secure. Next, insert a pin to raise the headrest upward. Then, slip the sections of the backrest covers on, pulling the covers gently through the preset cutout and over the headrests. Now fasten the flaps together to secure the cover under the headrest. Next, feed the hook and loop straps through the crevice to the back side. From the back, pull the straps through and fasten them to the fabric on the back side of the seat. Unroll the cover and fasten the adhesive side in place, making sure all the cutouts line up with the vehicle controls. Finally, reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed seat covers, custom fit for your Toyota Sienna with 3-row seating.